Okay, playing with my colors, right? Okay, here's the pens, and I think the last one, yeah, again, being mechanically challenged as I am, I couldn't quite figure out how to open these. There was no clicker like on the last one, but really it's simple. You just pull, and you have to pull pretty hard, which is why it didn't work for me in the beginning, because I wasn't pulling hard enough. But you have to really pull it off, and then you can snap it on the back so that the eraser is still exposed. Now here's the marker, and I'm going to add the last marking to this piece of paper, and it is a brown color, so just to kind of let you know. Now what I'm going to do is show you how I could erase it. It would take a lot longer, by the way, to erase. You know, I'm going to try to erase these, and they will erase. It takes a lot longer, however. It's erasing. But let me just show you, if I apply a little heat, what happens. I'm getting my little trusty heat gun, and I'm going to aim it. There we go. Gone. So, of course, you could only use that. Now, there seems to be a bit of a semblance of the color, which didn't work on the gel pens, but these are markers, so they have a different, you can almost see it. Now I'm going to pause this video, go downstairs, throw it in the freezer, and see how long it takes to reconstitute, and for you to see it. So hold on. Okay, I'm back. It was in the freezer for probably, 15 minutes or so. And the ink on the markers came back a little bit, but much more faded. What I did find while I was downstairs is the sample that I did with the rollerball pens. That would be this Frixion rollerball pen that I have in several colors. I had taken all of these out and had written my name. So this is the experiment. I wrote my name in each of those colors, and then I hit it with a hair dryer, and then I put it in the freezer, and this is what came back. So now I'm going to do one more quick little test. I think I'm going to try seeing if it will erase again with the heat. And then I'm going to put it back in the freezer, see how many times. I mean, it has to be a limit maybe, huh? So here goes. Okay, so there I have the blank sheet of paper again, and like I said, I don't think you can see any kind of real outline or even be able to read it in any. I'm sorry, my lighting is just not cooperating with me. Let me see if I can change this camera angle a little bit. Anyway, you can clearly see this is empty. So now I'm going to pause this again. Okay, it's been about 20 minutes, And I took it out of the freezer, and the writing is back. I have to say, this is the second time I've used the same note paper and heated it up twice and put it in the freezer twice. And I do believe the intensity of the print is starting to diminish. But anyway, that's for this experiment. And I don't know if it's useful. It's some kind of crazy thing, but fun. So hopefully somebody can come up with some really good application for these characteristics of this pen. I'll have to just be thinking about it.